Let's talk about the question that everybody's really thinking. Do people actually make money in a business like this? Can you really earn money doing the ASEA business, ASEA 1? Well, I'll start out by just saying yes, or the company wouldn't be here, right? They chose the network marketing business model. They chose that over 15 years ago, and the company's still here and still expanding. But I think the deeper question, what you're really kind of getting at is, could someone like myself, could I actually have success in a business like this? Like, I'm not a salesperson. I have no network of people to speak of, right? I'm not some big social media influencer with a following. I've never done something like this before. So is it actually possible for your average person to get started in this and earn? Is it a good option for me? And I think it's a great question. It's a valid question. And the answer is, yeah, if you want to do this, it's possible. If you're looking for an off-ramp, maybe you don't like your 9 to 5, you don't like the constrictions of corporate life, or you're not able to find a job, you were just let go or made redundant, or maybe AI is replacing what you're doing. Perhaps you just need an extra $1,000 of income in your household because the kids are growing, they're requiring more, whatever it might be. Of course it's possible. It's very much possible. And I will tell you the good news and the bad news. I'll be very upfront. This video is really meant to just lay out the truth for you so you can get a good sense and we can discuss, is this right for you or not? I'm happy to have a personal conversation with you. The good news is it's $40 to get started, okay? There is no massive upfront investment. That $40 gets you a website that gives you access to literally 40 markets to do business. The customer support is built in. The manufacturing of the product happens. The shipping of the product worldwide happens. The ability for people to pay in their currency and you to get paid in your currency happens. There's no license requirement for you. There's nothing you need to do. All right, so what's the bad news, right? What's the downside? The bad news is we don't provide you people to talk to. You need to go figure out who needs ASEA and who wants to be part of this business, who wants to join this team, who wants to benefit from the uniqueness of this product and get transformations in their health. That's the bad news. That's not provided, right? The business comes, it's like a business in a box, except the people, that are going to make the thing work. That's where you come in. And that's where you have to put your time, your energy, your efforts, your talents. And at first you might feel like I'm doing stuff and I'm not getting paid because this is not a traditional, I spend an hour, I get X amount of money. No, you need to learn. All right. And you think about becoming a doctor, right? I have someone in my family going through this process. So I've seen it over the years, over the last decade. And first they, had to go to undergrad for 4 years. Then they went to medical school for 4 years, did residency. Then they had to go in and, they did rotations during medical school. And then after medical school, they had their residency. And then, there's the option for additional training and fellowship. So this stacks. And this whole time, spending money. Hundreds of thousands of dollars of debt racking up to get into this profession where, then you make hundreds of thousands of dollars, but the time, the energy, the effort, the financial stuff that needs to go in, it makes it so most people, it's just like not a viable option for most people. In this business, there is no debt you're going to incur. You're not going into debt to start, okay? $40 US. You can figure that out. You probably spent that without thinking the last time you went out to eat, right? You could sell something and make $40. Like, you can find it if you're serious about it. You can find that amount of money. And then the question is, think about in that same time frame that someone dedicates to becoming a doctor and whatever skill, whatever you're currently doing, I guarantee you dedicated some time to get good at it. Well, what's interesting is in the same time frame, if you had, rather than going to medical school and gone that route, dedicated to becoming a professional in the network marketing space, my goodness, you'd be making the income of a doctor without the debt, And it's like, I always say, look, time's going to pass anyway. And so the question really is, do you want a different life? Do you want to kind of take a road where you could figure out a different option for yourself? Do you see a different option for yourself? Do you have the drive? Do you have the consistency it's going to take? The connections can come. I had no background in sales. I'm a biologist. I had no network to speak of. I hated social media. And so I had to figure this out along the way. But I had the vision of what I wanted to create, a different kind of life than most of my friends and family were living. I wanted flexibility of my own time. I wanted security where money could come in even if something happened to my health again. Like, there were reasons that drove me to build a business like this. And, the truth is, very frankly, if you need money like now, like cash in your pocket this week, this is not the opportunity for you. This is not the direction to go. You can make cash running like Uber Eats or providing some service to somebody in your local community, right? Go mow the lawn, go do something for somebody that's in need, and you're going to get direct cash for your time, right? This is more so an opportunity, okay? It's the ability to say, hey, I want to take that different path in life. Like what I'm currently doing is not working. It hasn't taken me where I wanted to go. It hasn't created the life that I feel like I deserve and that I want. And so this allows you to say, here's a different path. Here's a different vehicle. This is a different model. This is unlike anything that I've ever tried before. Or maybe I've tried it in the past, but with products I didn't really believe in, with a company I wasn't really aligned with, or maybe they went out of business, right? So there is the option that you're getting on where in the months and years to come, you're going to have that extra finances in your household. You're going to have that other stream of income, right? Whether you want it to be the mainstream or just, a stream that's coming in. Some people just want their costs covered. They want to cover the cost of their product. I mean, it's a fantastic product. Everybody that learns about it is like, yeah, I want that. It makes sense. It just makes logical sense. And frankly, I mean, our business opportunity is born from this product. It is so unique. It is in a category of its own. We're not trying to tell people to buy this makeup versus that makeup, this oil versus that oil, this cleaning product versus that cleaning product. There's nothing wrong with businesses that sell that. But what I'm saying is we're teaching people about a whole new way to address their health at the foundation. I mean, it is literally revolutionary in how you can help people take back their health. This video is not about the product, so I'll stop there with it. But for sure, you can get your product costs covered. I help most people before their credit card statement is even due get what they need to cover the cost of that, right? Share it with 3 people, and I'll show you how to do that, and you can create more than you need, all right? But this is not a lottery ticket. You don't just sit back and go, okay, all right, I'm part of ASEA. It's all going to happen now. Like, that's not how it works. The business comes in a box, except the people, that are going to purchase the product, that are going to be part of the team. You have to go out and find those people. You've got to show up. You have to get yourself trained. You have to implement what you're learning. All right, so the question is, what's the downside? Can I lose money? That's a big question. And here's the thing, like I talked about, it's $40 to start. That's, the money you're going to quote unquote lose, which frankly, like I said, you've spent that without thinking, probably in the last month. So you're not going to lose money. The downside here is more so maybe a loss of time, all right? Because perhaps you spend time doing this and then you quit in 3 months and so nothing really comes of it. Was it time well spent? I don't know. Only you can really decide that. You might lose respect, honestly. Like that happened to me. I had friends and family that thought, oh, this is cute. She's doing some little thing. Like, it's not really going to last. She'll get serious. She'll go back, to the real world eventually. And they kind of lost respect when I was like, no, I'm doing this. Like I'm making this thing happen. And you're going to lose that temporarily. And then when you have success, it's going to be interesting because people are going to turn around and go, do you think I can do what you've done? Like, how did you create this? You're so lucky. And it's like, no, there's no luck involved. You made a decision to start on a different path. You can make that decision and I'll guide you. The coaching comes for free. I mean, that's the best part, is the coaching, the processes, the systems that I have in place that are proven over the last decade, that are proven in this industry over decades more than I've even been involved. This is what happens. Okay, but the problem is people quit. They quit after a month, 3 months, 6 months. They want quick results. They're not satisfied immediately. They think things should happen faster. Look, you're going to think you can do more than you can in a year in this business, but you got to learn the skills. You got to get good at it. You're going to completely underestimate what you can do in 3 years. You're going to overestimate the first year, which causes a lot of people to quit, but you're going to underestimate what can happen in 3 years. I promise you. Just don't stop. Do not stop. Now, a deeper question that I think some of you might be asking is, am I going to waste my time, right? Obviously, there's no financial risk, but like, what about my time? You're investing your time. You're investing emotional energy, right? You're going to hope, you're going to dream, you're going to think about these things. And there's going to be ups and downs with your emotions. But here's what I can tell you. I have somebody that's been on my team for over 6 years, and she's the first to say, I haven't built a big business. I don't have this great, side income that's coming in, but oh my gosh, the person I am today versus the person I was 6 years ago, I was like a shadow of myself then. I've come into my own. I found my voice. I found my confidence. I'm like so excited about the becoming process of who I have become through being part of ASEA, through partnering with myself, getting my own personal coaching, through being part of the community that I've created where, you're going to be surrounded by people that think differently, that will push you in the best of ways. Okay, so look, I would say the worst case scenario is the personal development. Best case scenario is the personal development and the income potential that has come along with you growing. All right. So Honestly, if you want to sit down with me personally to have a consultation to see if this is right for you or not, I would be happy to. Many people say, well, is this kind of one of those things that the people at the top make all the money? Can I really actually have success? Or are you just kind of showcasing the few examples of people that have had success? Is there an opportunity when the company's over 15 years old for me to actually get involved now? The answer is yes. There were plenty of people that already reached the top of this company, maxed so much out when I got started 10 years ago. And I carved out my own piece of that, right? There are billions of people in this world, and they all need this product, right? They would be knocking down our doors if they understood the power of redox and how, when you put that back into your body, it helps your body to get back to its optimum. I mean, it's just unbelievable. It's a whole new way of looking at health and supporting people with their health. And so we have something everyone needs. They just don't know it's an option out there. And so if you see that potential, you see the wave that's coming, like it's coming with or without you. Like the knowledge of redox is getting out there, and it's only going to continue to get out there, but people need to purchase it from somewhere. And right now, ASEA is the only place out there that you can get it, and you have to get it through a rep. So why not become a brand partner? Why not let it be you? Right? Time's passing anyway. All you have to invest is your time, your energy. You're going to meet an amazing network of human beings. You're going to develop into a person that's going to be better in all relationships, in all aspects of your work life, your family life, your social life. It's going to improve you. Okay? So I think that, the other kind of lingering thing with this question, when I get it, is, well, do people really join these things? Like, am I somehow being naive? Are there other people that are actually going to say yes to this? Like, doesn't everybody just judge this? Don't people just kind of run from this? And the answer is, look, they say 1 in 7 households are part of the network marketing industry. 1 in 7 people are interested in a side income that looks exactly like this business opportunity looks. But I will tell you, not all network marketing opportunities are the same. We have a very unique product, which is what makes this just an unbelievable pairing with this business model that's equally as strong and powerful. And we have a company with a strong heart, an ethos, where they're really about the people. They say, look, we're the heart, you're the lungs. We need one another, right? Network marketing, unfortunately, because of social media and the day and age that we're in, a lot of these network marketing companies are getting rid of their sales force. And they're saying, oh, we're just going to go direct to consumer via affiliates, like one level of sales. Network marketing allows you to bring in other affiliates and get paid on what they do. So you start getting a percentage of a lot of people, which is what creates the freedom, which is what creates the flexibility in your life. And what makes it so powerful. And a lot of companies are getting rid of that. ASEA has doubled down. They literally this year invested $8 million new into the compensation plan for people like myself, for brand partners like you that have said yes. They are wholly invested in our future, and they are a legacy company. I've known them for over 11 years. I have watched them in difficult situations right through the pandemic. I watched the choices that they made. They always served people. They always served their purpose. They did not think about their own ego and the economics of the situation. They are certainly a P over E company, and I encourage you. It'll make you a better person for being part of it. So if you're able to stay emotionally detached from what people think of you, which is just a good life skill to have, and I can teach you how to have it, then you're going to live a more fulfilled life. You're going to have a blast doing this, where you get to work with just such a beautiful slice of humanity gets attracted to this company. So if you're still listening, it means something inside of you is going, well, what if, and could I, and could it be me? And yes, right? I am looking to support someone that raises their hand that says, yes, I want this, and I will be there with you every step of the way. You're going to give up on yourself before I give up on you. All right, so just reach out to me. This is my phone number. We can connect, have a consultation. I will show you the system. I'll show you the steps. I'll introduce you to my mentors and the network of support that you have so that you can create the life that you believe that you deserve, and that you're kind of peeling off from the pack and saying, yeah, I'm going this way. It is a road less traveled, but my goodness, it is a ton of fun.